Let's give him a hand. It's not easy to come up here. Come on down. All right, come on.
Dr. Carter Stevenson was born in December 1875. He was an educated man. He went to Harvard University and earned his PhD. That's short for Doctor of Philosophy degree. He worked to keep the history of African Americans by collecting thousands of books and other things. He noted that the work of African Americans were overlooked by the writers of history. So in 1926, Lawton started the celebration of African American History Week for the second week in February. He wanted to make a point to make African American history a history of the world. African American History Week honored African American history by having parades, breakfasts, speeches, and other things. African American United Students and African American educators at Kent State University made this idea to include an entire month beginning on February 1st, 1970. Since 1976, every U.S. president has made February as Black History Month.
All right, good job. Amazing, good job, sir. All right, Zaylen is going to tell us about the song Lift Every Voice. Okay?
Good.
Okay, Zaylen, we're going to wait till they're ready for you, okay? You guys be ready.
Hello everyone, how are you today? Good, I'm great too. Today the Continentals will be performing a song called Lift Every Voice and Sing. And here is the history behind it. In 1919, the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, aka NAACP, dubbed Lift Every Voice and Sing the Black National Anthem for its power in voicing a cry for liberation and affirmation for the African Americans. As such in history, this song was made for many purposes: to tell stories, express emotions, or convey a breath in faith. And now here are Continentals with Lift Every Voice and Sing. And remember, you are loved no matter what color you are.
when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family. And the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. Well, send them your heart, so they know that someone cares, and their lives will be stronger and free, as God has shown us by turning stone to bread. And so we all must lend a helping hand.